Congratulations on completing our comprehensive marketing course. You've done an incredible job navigating through the key principles and concepts. By now, you should be confident in your ability to create effective marketing strategies, analyze market data, and target the right customer segments. You've gained practical skills from real-world examples and crafted detailed marketing plans. The immersive experience of our videos has made complex concepts easy to grasp and kept your attention from start to finish. You've seen how marketing is both an art and a science, blending creativity and data to achieve success. Your journey doesn't end here. To keep growing and stay ahead in the dynamic marketing field, we encourage you to check out our future videos. We'll continue to provide new content that dives deeper into advanced marketing topics, emerging trends, and innovative strategies. Stay curious, stay motivated, and keep learning. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.